Hey friends, be here with a video for Whimsy Stamps. Let's go ahead and make this card together. So from the Gulliver's Garden paper pack, I have chosen this one right here. Well, all of them are absolutely gorgeous, but this one, oh, so beautiful. So I'm gonna put this away. And then I'm gonna be using this newly released die, which is the Fill of Flowers die set. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut probably twice this one, and I'm gonna position it in a way that maybe our bunny can cover the seam. We'll see how it goes. And then I'm gonna cut some of the flowers as well, and we're gonna ink all of this together. So here I have my two pieces of grass, and then I have it on the new Whimsy Stamps sticky mat, which I love. And we are going to be using mowed lawn and twisted citron for this. So I'm going to use first the twisted citron and then add some mowed lawn in. These ones are done, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same with the flowers. So here I have my little flowers, and I'm gonna be using wild honey, scattered straw, and squeezed lemonade. So I have divided them into 3 groups to do the 3 colors. I also wanted to show you how easy it is to clean this mat. All I have here is just some water, and I'm gonna do just spray here, paper towel, wipe it clean, and there you go. Super clean for the next time you need to use it. Here I have some pieces cut from the Bunny Bot die set. I have the body, the tail, and the 2 feet. And then I have here the inner part of the feet. So this part, I'm gonna dye it or ink it with Lost Shadow Distress ink. And then for the inside of the feet, I'm gonna use Kirsch Flamingo and Spun Sugar. From the Cutie ABC die set, I have cut the words Hoppy Easter, and I'm not gonna do anything to them right now. I think at the end I'm just gonna add black highlights to them instead of white, because of course you're not gonna be able to see it. But I have cut those, and I'm gonna set it aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. Okay, so there's gonna be a little bit of a change of plans because I wanted to add these here and the rest of my grass here, but I think my bunny is too small to just put here, and then the words here is gonna be like too much of blank space that I don't want. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna center it and cut these 2 sides because I really like this here with the flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down and then cut these 2 sides, and we go from there. So here I have my card base, which I chose in white, and I'm gonna glue this down. I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my bunny kind of tilted like so. Then his little tail right there. For his feet, I want to pop them up, but I can do that if I don't put them on a little base, because I have to add the little paw pads, I guess, of the bunny, and I'm not gonna be able to do so if I raise them a little. The paw pad is gonna sink. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna glue these two down here, glue the paw pads, and then cut around them, and then we can pop them up. Now my paws all ready, and I'm just gonna remove the backing of the foam tape. And let me see, do I want to put, yeah, that goes there. Here's one. And here we're gonna put the other one over here. Oh my gosh, so cute. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the flowers. Here's my sentiment, and I have just cut it with the Cutie ABC die set, and I highlighted with black instead of the regular white gel pen, and then I matted it onto black cardstock, and with my X-Acto knife I cut in between the letters. Please be careful when you do that, because you can cut yourself. And then I just cut it around it, and now I'm gonna place it on my card. And here's how my card turned out. I added some little gems from my stash. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.